Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search for the Dropbox files in the Dropbox using Web Explorer or the web browser. So let's go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and then search for dropbox.com. You can see the search menu. If you click on it and type the thing which you want or the file which you want, it will be shown if the file is there in your drive. So if you search for folders, it will show the total folder and the things which are in the folder. So it's quite easy. You should just go to the search bar and search for the things from here. So now it is going inside the album and searching. If you want to cross it, just cross it and then you can search for it. Let me show it to you once again. In the search bar, you can simply click it and then you can search for whatever files or folders you want. Doing this, your time will be saved and you will not have to do a lot of searching. So you can simply go to the search bar, click on it and search for the thing which you want to see. This is how you search for files in Dropbox. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.